be here for summer, then we're gone. We'll be here for sunrise, then we'll fly. How much time do you reckon we have left to say the word sunset? And how many days would you say that you had spent living out your regrets? We'll be here for the leaves to fall, and then we're gone. We'll be here for you to be mine, and then we'll fly. Oh, how much time do you reckon we have left to say the word sunset? And how many days would you say that we had spent living out our regrets? We'll be here for rainfall, and then we're gone. We'll be here for a clear blue sky, and then we'll fly.
And know the places that I've been, the faces mine offense, fumbling, fumbling. And though with murky miles ahead, the fate sings softer there, humming slow, though hurry in the dark. I hear them calling when it starts. And go, they'll find you in the glen, the horsemen closing in, rumbling, roll, and the wilder blows the wind into a river raging. sleep while you cut your teeth. Whiskey,
stay here together, we could nurture each other. Find a different world to be. Hope it's beauty we'll see. I'll sing you a song. It's taken so long. The flowers we've grown are standing alone.